How to fix country or region option not showing in App Store. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are signed in to your Apple ID. So, go to settings and tap on your name on the top of your screen and then tap on the media and purchases option. Now, tap on the View Account option you see there and if prompted, sign in as this unlocks region settings. You can also do it via App Store, so go ahead and open App Store and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Apple ID or email option. From here, select country or region option and if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and turn off screen time restrictions. So, launch the settings application again and tap on the screen time option and then on content and privacy restrictions. Enter passcode if asked and now make sure the content and privacy toggle button is toggled off, or you can also loosen restrictions under account changes. Next, in settings again, tap on your name at top of your screen and then tap on the subscriptions option. Now go ahead and cancel or wait until they expire before switching regions. And next fix is to remove family sharing if needed. So go to settings and then tap on your name and then tap on the family option you see there. Further, leave the family group temporarily. You can rejoin later. Lastly, you can try to restart your device, as restarting the device refreshes your settings and helps in fixing majority of minor glitches. So, this is how you can fix country or region option not showing in App Store. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.